Hey guys, how are you doing? I know, this is a crazy day. Market crashed. Um, it's okay. It's a natural cycle. I'm not really worried about it just because market needs to correct itself. Just like anything, nothing could go up forever. There's like good news and bad news, like from my point of view. And now I feel like the Bitcoin has to reach 500,000. It has to like 500,000 or 1 million. Just there's a reason why. Like I know people's like, what the hell? Like how could it reach? It just crashed. So all these coins are blindly for all the altcoins, all the coolest coins, Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, SafeMoon, SHIB, the one, all of them crash, all of them. Like they didn't have to crash. Every single coin here has billions of dollars of market cap, and they have amazing mission, to make the world better place and a lot of good things they're trying to do. But they crashed just because of Bitcoin, just because of some crazy news came from some influencers. Because of that, Bitcoin went down and they're blindly following. So that means either cryptos are gonna like disappear from the world, or Bitcoin has to go up. Two-way. It cannot, either crypto is gonna disappear or Bitcoin has to go to like 500,000 or 1 million or 20 million. I don't know what is the crazy numbers. So I don't really think cryptos are going anywhere just because everything is going virtual. Like everything, like see now, if you want to send a message to somebody, you don't write it on a piece of paper. You put it on your phone and send them a message or an email. It's faster. If you want to write it down on a piece of paper and you want to send it to the mail, it takes times, days and months sometimes, from one end of the world to another end of the world. But now, this day and age, you just send them a message on a Facebook Messenger, on WhatsApp, or an email. Done. 2 seconds, it's over. Everything is becoming virtual. Same thing with currency. Um, Dollars, especially the dollars in Canada, in America, it's a fiat currency. It has no value. It's not backed by any precious metal, no bonds and stuff. They have some bonds which is also manipulated, like, but that is like nothing. It has no value. Basically, just only reason we use the dollar, just because we have been using it forever. There's no other better mediums unless crypto. So see, now people are using currencies, like the government prints money and people are using it, which is not good, because like now the dollar, the coins, it costs more to create those coins. Like they got rid of pennies in Canada. In America, they're probably gonna do that sometime soon because it costs more. And then everything is going virtual, so that means there's no question in the future everybody's gonna be using virtual money. That's why Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, ADA, Doge, XRP is gonna be leading the future. It's just like not a question, unless somebody tomorrow comes up with an amazing solution. Not tomorrow, maybe in the next few months, somebody has a brilliant solution, which I don't think is going to happen. Like big cryptocurrencies already set themselves up for it. So that's why I'm like, the market is taking a break. It's not taking a break, it's just correcting itself. It went up like crazy, so now it's doing its job, which is it's coming down. So so if every time you want to see like the truth, you got to go back to the history. So this is a weekly chart for Bitcoin, US dollars. So in 2018, there was a market high. So January 2000, no, December 2018, the market went to its all-time high back then, 19,000 US dollars. And it took 1 year. Let's say from December 2016, the bull run started. Market started going up here. Let's say $900 or so, to 2000, and then went down a bit, 1900, and then went up to 4400, and then went down to 3600, and then went up to basically 19,000. See this bull, and then the whole process took literally like 1 year. Let's say like January 2017 to um, January 2018. The whole 1 year the market went up like crazy, and this time the high started from 900 some dollars to 19,000. 10 times went up to no, 20 times, yeah. And then went down. But went down. It also took a 1 year term. Went all the way down from 19,000 to $3,300, 3,300. It didn't touch the previous low, which is 900 some dollars. So from January 2019, it started going down. Yeah, it started going up again. So it took 1 year. It went up from January 2017 to January 2018, and then took 1 year to go all the way down, and then from to January 2019 started going up until July, the summer time, went up to 12,000 from, this 3,000 to 12,000, and then went down a bit, and then from April or March 2020, it started from $5,400 to all the way, like as I said, to like the high what we saw, like 6,000, 60,000, or 64,000 and stuff. So this is a very it's very interesting. Like as I said, now before the market high was like a little bit, but now look at this. This is like a giant mountain compared to like a little hill. Like that in 2017, 18, it was much smaller. The high was like only the difference was, let's say, a $20,000 gap. Now it's like 60,000. Like, let's say it started from 6,000 to all the way to, 60,000. It's like massive, massive, like almost like 50,000 or more dollar. So, and then the next bull run, when the next bull run is going to come, it's going to come hard, and it's going to take it to like say $200,000, 300, could even go to $500,000, just because digital is the way, like virtual. There's no other way than virtual. Like now, because of NFT, people are going to be start buying like online land and stuff, and then with virtual reality, with augmented reality, people's going to spend probably like half of the day virtual. It's not, it's kind of sad, like, because we are kind of being more like robotic. However, it's just evolution. Like, now, if you don't want to do it, that's okay, but then that's how the society is evolving. In some way it's good. In some way it's good because it's less pollution. If humans start doing more things virtually, then we're gonna buy less stuff physically, and then pollute the environment less, like less garbage, less toxics on the environment. So in some way it's good. It's better for the environment, I believe. However, so as I said, the market crashed right now. It crashed pretty hard. So now it's sitting at $36,000 US, and it could come down to the previous high on January 2018 high, which was 19 to $20,000. It could come down from 36. It could come down to 2,000, 20,000. We never know. It could come down. It could test it here. That's going to be really bad. But then at the same time, that's a good time to buy too. Like, I've been waiting to buy some Bitcoin for such a long time, because, I couldn't buy it when it was like 60, 70,000. Like I could buy some when it's like 20,000, or maybe, a little bit more around there. And I just want to get one Bitcoin as soon as I can. But, I'm not, like, that's not the point. But the thing is, like, like market is, it's really, it's correcting itself right now. Now it's going to show the truth, what's going to be the new, and then how long it's going to take. Like before, it took 1 year for the market to go up and down, and now we don't know how long it's going to take. Could be for the next 5 months it's going to go down, and then it's going to go up again. We never know. And then, yeah, we don't really know. But then now I feel like, I could be wrong. Anybody could be wrong. Like, nobody knows what's the future. But then now this is very realistic. 500K a Bitcoin in the next year or 2 or 3 is very possible. So as soon as it goes down a little bit more, I'm gonna start buying some. And the very important thing is that it's only good to invest the money that we're afford to lose, because you never know, like, what's going to happen. Everything could crash, and then you can lose everything. So it's better to put only the money that we're afford to lose. Other than that, you can be happy. You're going to be panicked for the whole time. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to ask me questions. I know a lot of people think Bitcoin will never go up, which is understandable. If everybody has entitled to have their own opinion, but like, if I look at the history, like this is just common sense. Like, people says, like I talked to one guy. He started buying. He said he bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at $5 in the New York City. And then when Bitcoin became like $5 from like $1, the whole New York City started panicking. They thought it's the biggest bubble in the history. Of course, Bitcoin is now like not in that market cap anymore. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. And yeah, I feel like Bitcoin it'll be really high in the future. Thanks for watching.